Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to freeze your location on Snapchat. This is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log in or open your Snapchat account. Click your map icon at the bottom left corner. And then here you will see, of course, your location where you are standing at this time. If you enable your location. Okay, so probably your friends can totally see where you are at the very moment. So in order for you to freeze your location here on Snapchat, what you're going to do is to tap this gear icon at the top right corner. Once you tap this, you will see an option, Ghost Mode. All you have to do is to toggle this one on. Because if you toggle this one off, then your friends can probably see your location. So if you turn this one on, you are allowed to, enable ghost mode for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. So I chose the until turn off because I want to freeze my location and I don't know up to when I want my friends know where am I at the moment. Also, aside from your Snapchat application, you can also go to your phone settings. If you're using Android, go to App Management, go to App List, and then here search for Snapchat. Or you can also scroll down and look for Snapchat. Then here you have to look for permissions, tap this one, and you have to make sure that your location should be under denied. Tap location, click deny. And then probably your friends cannot see where you are at the moment. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.